Alright YouTubers, this is GRBMC and I am here to show you how to SSH into your iPod and also how to change this theme, because when you get it, it actually says it's called I can never remember what it's called. It's Blue Island. It's called Blue Island right there. You can see it. But when you first get it, it says up in that corner, it says Cupertino, and I don't know anyone who lives there. If you live there, great. Don't look at this video. But if you don't, you want to change it, here it is. Alright, first thing you need to do, you need to install CyberDuck. I already have it down here. I'll put a link for installing it in the description. And you also need to install a JavaScript editor so you can edit JavaScript. I haven't found a free one so far, but right now I've got Edit Rocket trial version. You can just keep running trial versions if you want. But I've got Edit Rocket trial version, got 30 days left on it. And so let's go into it. Open up CyberDuck and go to Open Connection. Alright? But before you continue, you need to make sure you download Open SSH off of Cydia if you don't have it. Just type in SSH or type in open and search for it. You also need to make sure that when you download it, it comes up here on the top. It should come up when your springboard is SSH. To make sure that's on, you also need to make sure you go to settings and turn off the auto lock. Make sure it does not lock, because when you're doing this it can't lock up. Alright, so here we go. Right here, go to SFTP, SSH transfer, and where it says server, type in your IP address. So okay, right here the username should be root, and then Alpine. Just hit connect. Okay, and now you're in it. You're in here. You're in your iPod. Alright, make sure you don't mess up, because I messed up a little while ago and I was really freaking out. I was able to fix it. But if you mess up, you're gonna have to. You can just go up here and do the edit undo action button. And so I didn't know that until after I went back in there and stuff. So yeah, go to library. Alright, there should be something down here called themes right here. Don't mess with anything else. Just go into this theme folder, double click on it. Alright, here are your themes that you get from Off Winterboard. Alright, here's the Blue Island US theme, and here's what's inside of it. In order to change it so that it will say wherever you're from, right there, and have the weather for it, you're gonna have to go into private, and then you can click on sources if you want, and it's the JavaScript for that source, and you can edit the source wherever you came from. Yeah, you can edit where the city is and stuff, but I didn't do that. What I did is I went to configure me.js. It's downloading it. Alright, click on it. It's in your downloads folder, and it'll pop up this JavaScript file up here in wherever your default browser is. Okay, this is when you open up your JavaScript editor. This is JavaScript, so make sure you open up JavaScript editor. Where is it? Edit something. Edit Rocket. Okay, that's me. Whatever one you use, just make sure you do it. Okay, if this pops up, just do register later. I don't have a register key. My bad. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this, Command A, and then Command C, and then paste it in here. Bam. It should start turning a different color, but this is basically what it's gonna look like. Okay, so right here it says if you're using the default Apple AccuWeather parser, which is basically what they use offline to get the weather, you're gonna have to use like, this is like what you type in to in this like space in between the quotation marks. You type this in, follow this model. This is just a model, like Defiance, Ohio, and that's where it is. That's United States, of course. Moscow, Russia. Um, so yeah, you can type that in, but also you can go down here to the bottom and change your source. Alright, it says Yahoo Weather. You can change it. So I changed this source, and when you change the source, you come back up here. So originally it's going to say Apple AccuWeather, but you just change this in here into Yahoo Weather. Alright, so after that you have to go and put your zip code in here. So yeah, and once you do that, you're done basically. I have this var enable lock screen because like the lock screen is black. Watch. I can't do it right now because I can't lock it up, but the lock screen is black, trust me guys. I went to true, so it says currently it is suggested that the lock screen is disabled. It was false before, so that's why I put true. And the wallpaper is enabled and it says true, so I figured might as well give it a shot. It still doesn't work. I'm working on that right now, but I don't know how to change it. But after you do those two steps that I mentioned earlier, you're done. So what you're going to need to do, don't close this out. You need to go to File, click on Save As, and then it should be the configure, type in configure me just like this, .js, alright, and save it to your desktop. Okay, so I already saved it, so I'm canceling, but it'll pop up on your desktop. You can close this out now. No, I'm not gonna save, but it'll pop up on your desktop. I think I have it in this folder. Yeah, configure me.js, and you're gonna wanna open up, go to CyberDuck again, and this one back the original up. This is not the original. I already have it backed up. This is the original. Okay, this is my backed up original. This is the new one I have in here. But back up the original, put it in some file that you'll know where it is, and then put the new one in here. It'll ask you to replace it. Just click OK, and then you'll be done. Like, it'll pop up it'll pop up with your city, and it'll have the weather up there. So so you're finished. Just hit disconnect or the X button. I'm gonna disconnect. Now I'm gonna do exit out. And all you gotta do is respring your springboard, and it's gonna be done. You're gonna have it. You're gonna have the weather. It's gonna come up here. It'll be almost complete theme. I like it just because it shows the weather. I also like the icons on the first page. It's pretty neat. But yeah, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just post them in the comments. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. But I'll see you guys later. Peace.